What is apple cider vinegar actually? Does it really help in weight loss? How to use it in correct way to gain more benefits? What are the side effects of using apple cider vinegar? Which apple cider vinegar brand can we trust? If you too are curious about the above questions, then watch this video till the end and you'll be left with zero doubts about apple cider vinegar and its uses for weight loss. So let's begin. Oh wait, please do subscribe to my channel before we start cracking all the pros and cons about apple cider vinegar. And hit that bell button so we can always continue giving and receiving as well having and sharing of love that we have. Okay, now straight to the topic. Apple cider vinegar, which is also shortened as ACV, has been used to cure many ailments for thousands of years. On an average, the process of making apple cider vinegar takes 1 month, but some manufacturers kickstart its fermentation process by adding synthetic chemicals in order to make it ready in hardly 1 to 2 days. Naturally made apple cider vinegar has several benefits such as lowering blood sugar levels, cholesterol, reducing acid reflux, and has antibacterial properties to fight acne and dandruff. But in this video, we are focusing on its benefits for people trying to lose weight. Let me first tell you some basic information about ACV and how it's made. The formation of final product ACV is done in two-step fermentation process. Step 1 is where apples are crushed and yeast is added to convert their sugar into alcohol. And in second step, bacteria are added to ferment the alcohol into acetic acid, which is the main component of apple cider vinegar. This acetic acid, when consumed in prescribed form, works as magic for boosting your weight loss process. Now let me tell you in what ways ACV benefits particularly for weight loss. The first most important benefit of ACV is that it helps in lowering blood sugar levels by increasing capacity of your liver. The lower sugar in our blood ultimately results in decrease of insulin secretion, and this situation helps our body in fat burning. Apple cider vinegar helps in increase of enzymes that decrease fat and sugar production in liver. ACV encourages the expression of genes that are responsible for reducing belly fat storage, and this scenario further helps in fat burning. Acetate suppresses the appetite controlling centers in the brain, which finally reduces overall food intake throughout the day. Apple cider vinegar also reduces the rate at which the food leaves our body, thus slowing down the digestion process and makes you feel fuller for a long time. And guess what? You may end up eating 200 to 300 less calories throughout the day. However, for some people suffering from type 1 diabetes, I suggest you consult your physician before consuming apple cider vinegar, as slow digestion can worsen their gastroparesis situation. But overall, adding apple cider vinegar to the diet can help in several ways for blood sugar, insulin, PCOS symptoms, and cholesterol. And it fights bacteria and viruses causing food poisoning. Side effects and correct way of consuming ACV. Consuming more than 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar can give burning sensation in your throat and inner lining of your stomach. Constant use of ACV can cause decay of tooth enamel. You should never have apple cider vinegar without diluting it. Concentrated apple cider vinegar can burn down lining of throat and esophagus. The correct method of consuming apple cider vinegar is diluting 1 tablespoon in 250 ml or 1 glass of lukewarm water. You can also add honey or some drops of lemon to make it taste less tangy. Make sure you gargle after having this solution to prevent decay of your tooth enamel. You can also use the straw to avoid its contact with your teeth. Have this solution on empty stomach first thing in the morning. If you are just starting to have apple cider vinegar, start with half tablespoon and see if that suits your body for 1 week. You can gradually increase the daily intake to 2 tablespoons throughout the day by drinking this solution 15 to 20 minutes prior to your meals. If this doesn't suit you on empty stomach, try it before meals. This trick boosts your metabolism and thus helps in fat burning. Apple cider vinegar can be also added with olive oil and used as salad dressing. Which brand to trust? When it comes to purity or authenticity, apple cider vinegar with Mother, which is the cloudy residue suspended in it, is known to be genuinely prepared apple cider vinegar. I prefer using this brand Wow, which is manufactured using cold press techniques unlike other refining techniques. I have put its Amazon link in the description. Cold pressing preserves all the nutrients of the apples, and this apple cider vinegar is manufactured without using any synthetic fertilizers or pesticides. So guys, if you are serious about weight loss, just remember not to be impatient. Losing weight little by little but not regaining it is the real success. The changes would be gradual but permanent. So that's all for today. Go check out that link in the description and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Wish you a healthy living. See you next time.